Hi guys, it's Alice Monique with Vintage Galley Teen. So I've been documenting my kiddos and our elf this December. His name is Snowflake, and what I want to do is, I guess, kind of like a journal slash smaller mini scrapbook. And I got this album at Hobby Lobby. I think the regular price is like $8.99, and it's a small one. And so I got it at 50% off, so that was pretty cool. I started doing the sheets, and all I'm going to do is add the pictures, so you'll see me adding the pictures and little embellishments. I'm just going to show you my process of album, and this is going to be for the first week, and let's get started. So first I'm going to do this picture. This is the first day. This is December 1st, and the kiddos found Snowflake inside the granola box container that we have. So I want to set that down, and I just love seeing the reaction. It's priceless. It's awesome. And so I want to set that down here, and then right here what I wanted to do was his name, and probably put December 1st. So I'm using these green letters, and I'm going to put Snowflake right about here. So let me get that going. Okay, so I finally got the name down. These stickers are really hard to peel off. That's why I paused it, because I knew I was going to have a hard time. When I did this, I had such a hard time doing this. So finally I got Snowflake down there, and then right here I put 2013. And the paper that I'm using right here is a set that I bought from, let me see, it's this, I got it from Sandra's D-Stash, and I thought it was so pretty, so I was so excited that I was able to grab it. And I've used a lot of this pad already, and so for the embellishment that I'm gonna use right here, I kind of journaled on it already. I put December 1st, the kiddos found Snowflake in the granola bin having a snack. So I'm just gonna put that there. And all I did was that paper stack was in there, and I just cut out a little section there so I could journal. So let me just take the back of these pop dots and just set that around there. So that one's finished. I like the way that one is. And this was my idea, to have, you know, pretty much the page set, and that way all I did was either write a title on it and a date or something like that. I kind of wanted them all like that. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I thought that was pretty, and I wanted to, you know, just have it ready for the pictures. Like this one, it's another paper pad, but of course I just fixed it up. And so this one I don't have as ready with embellishments like my first one. And so this one is going to be day 2. And it's this one right here. Let me see if I want another paper back here. Let me check that out. Okay, so I kind of like this paper right here to go right there. It kind of flows with that. And I already have the corners rounded off on that picture, so all I'm going to do is do the same for the paper right there. I'm not sure. For sure, of course, I'm going to put day 2. But I don't know if I want that like up in the corner. I just want it in the middle, and maybe put another embellishment. I think I want it there. Okay, so I'm going to set that down. I did like that. There. There, and then just add the picture. Then I'm going to add some bling right here. Let me just get my flat glue. Okay, these flat glue dots, I love them. And they work so well. And they just come in rolls like this. I think they're super strong. So I'm just going to take one apart and set it. We're going to do red. And the green. And get that other one there. I like that. And then I did do some journaling, not sure. And this another little section that I cut off. I don't know where I want to put that. I think there. But I'll just leave that there for now. And I don't know if I have Christmas lettering. Let me get that. Okay, so I found some Heidi Swapp lettering, and I know they're little, I guess, to me they look kind of summerish colors, but I think it kind of still goes really nice with that red coming out and that green, like a light green. And all I'm going to put here is Hop On. I think that'd be cool. Or maybe I should put Hop On Kids. That would be cool. Yeah, I like that. Okay, and then this one I'm going to put here. Right there. That's pretty cool. So Snowflake decided to do a caravan, and I put there December 2nd, Snowflake had a caravan of cars in Johnny's room, and Micaela called it a parade. And she did. I had her in the video in the background. She's like, look like a parade, Mom. So I put there Hop On Kids. They're pretty cool. Let's move on to the other one. Okay, so before I put this in away, I actually found some stickers that I just recently came across, and I'm going to put 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly, and I think I'm going to put that down here. Maybe just right close to the jewel. Okay, there, I like that. Okay, so then the next one is going to be December 3rd. And I was trying to use as much little scraps that I could, because I knew that I was going to cover some of those spots. This is December 3rd. See, like right here I can add that, or I can do this here and that right there. I kind of like that. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I think I do like it right there. There. Then I have, I think I just put Yummy right there. I'm going to use the same color of lettering. And right here, Snowflake decided he needed a midnight snack and got some Ritz crackers and made a mess, a trail, and that's what I put on my journal card. think I'll put that somewhere about here. Right about there. And then I use 'tis the season to be jolly. Naughty or nice. That one's cute. I could put naughty or nice like about here. And then and there's this one with just some little stars right there. Let me see what else I got. Okay, so I found these little hats that I had, and I just put them right above my kiddo's head. I think that looks cute. And I think that I'm done for this one. I don't know if I want to add some bling. I have red. Like something red right there. I think I'll do maybe like a clear and then another red over here. Yeah, I think that would be okay. I think I made this one a little too. Okay. Right there. Right there. Okay, I like that. Okay, so I'm done with that one. Let me get the other one out. Okay, so I got my other sheet out, and I like this right here, so I'm going to set that. Okay. No. Okay, I'll take, okay, good. Okay. Put that about there. I didn't really want to hide my son's arm. Oh well. Okay, that stayed there. And what did I like? Okay, I just lost my embellishment. Oh, there it is. Okay, I like this. I think I like this one right there. That one can go here. And then, let me see. Take the whole season of joy. I don't know, I have all these. I'm not sure which one to get. Sleigh ride, happy holidays together. I think that one's pretty. Like that one there. Then what else? Seasons of joy, happy holidays, Christmas tree. I'm not sure. Let me see what other stickers I have. Okay, so I journaled a little bit. I just put December 4th, we found him with Micaela's blocks, and I'm going to put that about here. Then I found another sheet of stickers, and I think I'm going to use this penguin. I actually found these stickers at one of my flea market finds, and I'm so glad I purchased them. I think I only paid like about $1, under $1. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe some little stars or snowflakes here and there. They're little, I guess the heat got to it, so they're a little hard to unstick there. Oh, I think I just tore that. Let's see. Maybe I could put this under. Oops. Under right there so it won't show. Yeah, that looks nice. And then maybe like a candy cane. I don't know if I wanted to add something right here. Just not sure what to add. Maybe I should put like another one of those stickers that I had, like Happy Holidays. Yeah, I think I like that, Happy Holidays. Yeah, I think that's cool. I like that one. Okay. So let me get the other one out. Okay, so I like this here, and I'm going to set that down. And right here, Snowflake served himself a bowl of cereal, and then my son was like, and he even served it without breaking the bowl, because he's using a glass bowl with the cereal. I thought that was cute. Like, he was so worried. It sounded like he was worried for poor Snowflake. He didn't even break the glass bowl. I thought that was so cute. So I'll set that. I have that journal there. Yeah, I think I like it here. Put it there. Then I think I'll just use some of the same stickers that I've been using for the other side, just so it could kind of resemble it a bit. And I think for the top, I'm going to put like Seasons of Joy. Oh, I have another Season of Joy. I like that one. Season of Joy. I think I'll put Milk and Cookies. Even though it's milk and cereal, but... And I could put fa la 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 down here. And the other stickers. Maybe some more snowflakes. If I can unstick these. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with that one. I like it. It's cute. Okay, so let me get on to the next one. Okay, so this is December 6th, and Snowflake decided to toilet paper our Christmas tree. And the kids were just laughing because we had put the Christmas tree the night before, and Johnny had said, wouldn't it be funny if we found Snowflake on top of the Christmas tree? I was like, yeah, that would be funny, right? And then he's like, I told you, Mom, but I didn't expect the toilet paper. I'm like, oh, I know, babe. So I journaled that on a little card, and I will put that, I think, down here. Oh, I didn't cut that. Let me just cut this off real quick. Okay, there's just a little bit of excess right there. I'll put that down here. And then there was this other little, that's at naughty or nice, and I just put a check on naughty. And I'll put that somewhere up here. And I think I'll put Christmas tree right there. Then I have Mary. I like that one. That one's pretty. Down here, maybe, yeah, I think a sticker Christmas tree would be nice. And it's cold that day, so I think I'll put like a snowman, even though we don't see snow much down here, which is okay, because if we do see snow, my husband works extra longer, so we don't want that. So we don't really care. I don't care for snow. I tell my kids, they're like, we want to see snow. I'm like, no, it's okay. I like it. It's nice and hot down here. I think I'll just add a little bit more stickers to that. Okay, I think I like that just the way it is. That's pretty. Okay, so then let's get going with the other one, and this one is December 7th. Yeah, because this is December 6th, December 7th. Oh, he wrapped himself up in that silver garland right there, and he got all tied up there. This is Saturday morning. Okay, so this is the last day that I'm going to show you, because that's all I have up until here, and I've journaled and I placed that picture down, and I'll do the same. I'll put the journal around somewhere here, and then I'll put Joy up here, and then I'll add a polar bear. And maybe put like Winter Wonderland. Let's see if I can pull this off. Just want to say thank you guys for watching. I know this is going to be a long video. I'll try to do voiceovers. I need to go buy like a microphone and get that going, but I will do that. I'll get that going. Hopefully by sometime before this year is over. I'll get that going. I'll leave pictures also at the end so you could see them, because I know my lighting's a little bit bad today. It's pretty cold outside, so this is where I usually get my light coming in from here, the natural light, and it's just not showing up that well. So thank you guys for joining me, and stay tuned for the pictures. Bye.